In this video, I will show you how to enable call screening on your iPhone. To get started, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down all the way to the bottom. Tap on Apps. Now, tap on the search bar located at the bottom of this section. Type in Phone and hit Search. Select the phone app from your search results. Once you're in, scroll down until you find a section titled Screen Unknown Callers. In this section, there are 3 different options available for managing calls from unknown numbers: never, ask reason for calling, silence. Let's break these down one by one. The first option is never. Choosing this means that all calls from unsaved numbers will ring through without any screening. Next up is ask reason for calling. With this setting enabled, when a call comes from an unsaved number, your iPhone will prompt that caller for more information before ringing. Lastly, there's the silence option. Selecting this will silence incoming calls from unsaved numbers completely. Those calls will be sent directly to voicemail and displayed in your recent call list later. Keep in mind that depending on your calling plan, calling and data rates may apply when using these features. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.